Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator continues its legacy as a modern cruiser, blending classic styling with contemporary engineering. Designed to appeal to both beginners and seasoned riders, the Eliminator emphasizes a low, comfortable stance, a lightweight chassis, and smooth power delivery. With a focus on urban agility and long-distance comfort, it fits well in Kawasaki's cruiser lineup, offering an accessible option for riders who want both style and substance. The engine powering the 2025 Eliminator is a liquid-cooled 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin, derived from the Ninja 400 but with increased displacement. The engine has been tuned to deliver smooth, linear power across the rev range. This tuning makes it particularly suitable for city riding, highway cruising, and everything in between. Riders can expect refined throttle response, minimal vibration, and enough torque in the low to mid-range to ensure a satisfying ride without overwhelming power. With a 6-speed transmission, shifting remains precise and manageable, enhancing the overall riding experience. One of the defining features of the Eliminator is its low seat height, approximately 28.9 inches, which makes it extremely approachable for riders of all sizes. The bike has a laid-back cruiser stance with forward-set footpegs and slightly swept-back handlebars that allow for a natural, relaxed riding posture. The frame is a lightweight trellis-style unit, which contributes to the bike's nimbleness and responsiveness in tight city environments while also maintaining stability on open roads. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and twin rear shocks. While not adjustable, this configuration provides a good balance of comfort and control. The rear twin shocks also add to the retro aesthetic of the bike. Braking is handled by a single front disc and a rear disc, supported by ABS for added safety in various conditions. The wheels are cast alloy, adding a modern touch while ensuring reliability and low maintenance. In terms of styling, the 2025 Eliminator retains its minimalist, street-oriented look. It features a slim fuel tank, compact bodywork, and a short rear fender. LED lighting is used throughout, including the headlight, tail light, and turn signals, giving the bike a contemporary flair without losing its classic appeal. The digital LCD display provides all essential information, such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip meters, in a clear and easy-to-read format. Riders can also choose between several trims or optional accessories depending on the market. Some versions may come with smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki's Rideology app, which offers additional data tracking, maintenance updates, and GPS-related features. Other accessories include passenger backrests, saddlebags, and custom seats, allowing owners to personalize their bikes for comfort and utility. Another strength of the Eliminator is its emphasis on accessibility and daily usability. The fuel economy is expected to be strong, with many riders achieving well over 60 mpg, depending on riding style and conditions. The lightweight nature of the bike, combined with its refined powertrain and comfortable ergonomics, makes it an ideal commuter or weekend cruiser. The 2025 model benefits from minor refinements over the previous year, such as updated graphics, improved seat cushioning, and fine-tuned suspension settings. While it doesn't represent a complete overhaul, these small updates enhance the overall experience and show Kawasaki's commitment to evolving the platform thoughtfully. Its price point positions it competitively within the entry-level and mid-range cruiser segment. While not as powerful as heavyweight cruisers, the Eliminator makes up for it with agility, comfort, and style. It serves as a reliable, stylish, and efficient motorcycle for a wide range of riders, from newcomers looking for their first real bike to veterans who want a light and manageable cruiser for everyday use. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator maintains a strong balance of style, performance, and rider friendliness. It honors the spirit of past Eliminator models while embracing modern technology and rider expectations. Whether navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, it offers a compelling mix of practicality and fun, wrapped in a timeless. Thanks for watching.